It's a beautiful day to cook outdoors today, so I decided to show you how I cook this salmon head in sour broth using tamarind. It suddenly rained, so I have to continue my cooking inside the house. Let us start by boiling the tamarind. Put water in a pot and boil it for 20 to 30 minutes. Drain it and set aside the broth and transfer it to a large pot. Squeeze and press to get tamarind paste. Mix the paste with the broth. Now crush and peel the garlic. Slice the onion. Slice the tomatoes. And onion leaves. And cut the onion leaves. Cut the string beans in 2 to 3 inches long. Remove the ends of the okra and slice it in bite-sized pieces. Slice the eggplant on how you like it to be. Peel the 𝐍𝐆𝐵e or taro root and slice it. Clean the sweet potato tops and remove stems. Get the leaves that are tender. Please subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified on my next upload. Cut and clean the salmon head. Remove the scales and chop it. I washed the veggies before I sliced it, but I decided to wash it again. In a large pot with tamarind soup, put in the sliced taro root, garlic, and onion. Boil for at least 20 minutes, then add the salmon head and all the veggies, except for the kamote tops. Add the long chilies as well, season it with salt, cover and let it boil for another 10 minutes, then add the kamote tops and simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes. Add more salt according to taste. Oh, this smells so good. transfer it to a bowl and serve. The password for this episode is tamarindo. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.